when an object obtains a net amount of positive or negative electric charge, creating an imbalance that wants to be returned to equilibrium. Its effects aren't always as dramatic as lightning though. Let's take two pieces of tape that are both stuck to a table. If you rip them both off the table and try to stick them together, that should be easy enough, right? But it turns out that they repel one another. But try this, stick one on top of the other, rip the pair off the table, then separate the pieces. They're no longer repelled, now they're attracted to one another. In the first scenario, both pieces of tape stole.
Tai antrą irgi prisikliau. Nu va, jau gerai priklijavai. O, savo. O! Jei, kas čia buvo? Judesys toks įdomus buvo. Ir susisuko.
Aš nežinau.
Palauk, padarom su popierinė. O.
Jau susisuko.
O per ilga. Nu,
Dabar tu plėši.
man plėšti. Kodėl man?
Vau! Eina sau.
Palauk, dar kad.
Vau!
Na gerai, dabar vieną ant kito.
Vau!